Hey, this is Danielle, and today we're going to make some DIY beverage labels. It's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we're going to make some easy labels for water bottles or for other beverages at your party. So we're doing a pool party, so I've got a pool themed design. You can get the link on my blog or in the description for the video. Let's get started. Okay, so I've got my design set up, and we are going to click Make It. And we are going to go without matte because we're using all smart sticker cardstock. Confirm. And we will pick the smart sticker cardstock for each of these. So we are just going to go connect our machine and get ready. Okay, so I've loaded a 0.4 pen in. I've got my blade in here. I'm going to load my smart sticker cardstock and I'm going to press go so I can get started. Okay, so now I'm going to do the blue. Again, I have got the pen loaded in. I readjusted my design so I could cut on this side so that way I could avoid some of the other stuff I cut for other projects. These are actually going to be my cupcake holders, which I haven't put in yet. I'm going to click go. Hoping I arranged everything correctly. Okay, and so it's going to get started. In the meantime, I'll just show you the white pieces. We got them there. Okay, so last but not least, we are doing the dark blue, and this one doesn't require the pen. We're going to just press go here and cut that. Here's my light blue, and I'll go here. Now, the nice thing about this is we can use these and not have them prepared for our party without actually sticking them on anything yet. So we're going to cut this out, and so the final sticker, the very bottom piece, is not going to be so this piece right here, I'm just going to cut around it so that when the day comes, I can just stick it right on the container of water or the container of lemonade and not have it lose its stick, you know. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be our base layer, and I'm going to keep the sticker backing on. We're not moving that. So we are just layering our design on top of this. So again, with this one. So I'm going to look and see which colors are which and get started. Okay, so for the dark blue, we have the white sticker here. I'm hoping this will all come off pretty well. If it's possible, it'll be a little tricky. Go ahead and just carefully peel this off, making sure not to rip any. You can actually cut around it if that helps. It makes it a little easier for you. So as you can see, I'm doing it just like this. I found it was actually easier to peel from the top down, if that's helpful. And I'm just using this to poke out any little pieces that didn't come off. So I've got this. I'm going to try to center it here pretty well. It just sticks right on. So now I'm going to take my light blue . Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this here. Now, I could put it right on top, but I kind of wanted to off-center it a little just to kind of give it a little bit of depth. So here it is. Now, I could add the splashes if I was patient, but I'm not. So I could add those, but I'm not. I have no patience for that whatsoever. So this is finished. Now, the day of my party, I will just peel this off and put it on my container to let everyone know there is water in that. And I'll probably do it before I put the water in or after I put the water in, because this is going to get wet, obviously. So it is what it is, you know. But it's paper, so it's compostable, which I like. So yeah, there it is. Here's just a quick view of me doing the lemonade sticker as well. And here they are. Loving how these came out. And I do love the smart sticker cardstock so much. I hate gluing things. And that's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. And check out my other pool party ideas on DIYDanielle.com.